Du bas en ash met oren. Hey, do me a favor. Check LOD, Luxembourg Online Dictionary, to find out how you spell ersh.
Ersh? What's that mean?
Ass. I just asked a question. No, it means ass.
Ash.
Ash.
Ish.
Ish. Yeah, but how do you spell it?
You're right. It says it means arse, in parentheses, bottom. And it's got 14 example sentences, including 1, 2, 3, 4 that are vulgar.
How do you spell it?
Krausch dich dem Chef net immer an den Ash. Don't crawl up the boss's ass.
Ha ha ha.
This V is in a cup and an ash. Those two are a head and an ass.
Come on, how do you spell it?
Lickmesh am ash. That's a rather personal request.
Come on, I'm almost done.
Oh, synonomen. Hunner, which means bottom. Buttocks.
Hunna.
Hunner.
Hunneren.
Hunneren.
Hunna.
Hunner.
Hunneren.